Hey everybody, this is Mrs. Alecki, and I'm just going to show you a quick video on how to make a calendar that can send you weekly updates on your PACE chart, or not how you're doing in the class, but basically what you need to get done in the class. So I'm going to encourage you to set up a calendar that goes along with your PACE chart, and then have it emailed or sent to you via a text message. I would also recommend that maybe you send it off to whoever your person is that helps you out with your education, maybe mom or dad, so they can kind of help you stay on task. So let me first show you where to find your PACE chart. This is my economics course. This is like any of the other courses, so you're going to find your PACE chart for whatever course you're in the same location. I'm up in the top left hand corner of the screen. Get the drop down menu, and I'm going to pick PACE. Now every course has a little setup that could be slightly different. Just for simplicity, I'm going to pick the regular PACE chart for 16 to 18 weeks for economics. Again, you find it in the same location for any course, and you can pick what you want. So here's my 16 to 18 week course for economics, and I want to keep it open because I want to copy and paste my assignments into my Google Calendar. So all of you have a Gmail account with Palm Beach County. You want to use the school's Gmail account, and the reason you want to do that is because it has the calendar associated with it. Now you might not have ever noticed this calendar before, but it's there. So let me just kind of shrink this screen down a little bit. This is mine. When I'm in my email account, I can go over here to the top right hand corner, and you click over here on all these boxes. Click on your calendar. If you used it before, great. If not, it's really simple to get started. So I click on calendar and I end up here. Now if I'm in here, I'm going to pretend I'm starting my economics course. Let's go to next week. So you start whatever week you want. You can see I actually did one of these assignments already because I have it in here, but I'm going to show you your own. I'm going to say at 10 a.m. on Monday morning, I'm going to put down what it is I need to do for week 1. Now the trick here is you want to hit edit event so you can add some more information in here. So I have week 1 econ. It's going to come in on Monday morning, and it's going to be your work, so the location is probably your house, but what we're going to do is put into the description what I have to do, or what you have to do. So I'm back here at my PACE chart. So instead of typing it all up, I'm just going to Control C for copy, and then I'm going to do Control V for paste, and it's right here in the description. You can add something in the where in here if you want. So the idea is to send yourself an email or a text message once a week just to remind you what you have to do. I'm recommending Monday because Monday is the day you start the class, and then you have until Sunday. So these are the 3 assignments you do for Mrs. Alecki for economics for Monday, and it has to be done by the following Sunday. To have this event sent to you, you go over here to notifications. Your notifications can be from an email that you get sent to you on your computer or even on your smartphone. You could also have it just pop up on your computer while you're working. It comes up and you'll see the message pop up. I like this one, SMS, which is text messaging. The only way this works is if you have an education account, so you have to make sure you're using your Gmail account through Palm Beach County to get this option of SMS. I just like to get a text message so that I know 10 minutes before 10 o'clock on Monday morning I'm going to get this text message. You can put anything you want in here. Good morning, Marcy, because that's my first name. And then these are the assignments that I'm going to do. You can put whatever you want in the where, but these are the assignments. Then you're going to have it sent to you. You have to go ahead and save it. Now, you also might, at this point, want to add a guest person to send this to. Maybe it's your teacher. Maybe it's your mom. Maybe it's your dad. It's whoever helps you out. So it's going to come to me, but I'm going to go ahead and send one to Mrs. Mamelito so that she also gets this email, and she'll help me, and she'll say, hey Marcy, I have an email. Did you get 101, 102, and 103 completed? Or let me know by Friday that you did. And she's just there to kind of help me out. So I added that right here. My guest was Mrs. Mamelito. You can see my name here and Mrs. Mamelito's name here. This is the assignments. I'm going to hit save. Now I know that was a lot. I'm going to hit don't send. I should send it just to see if she gets it. She'll laugh. But let's go ahead and go to another week. just so you get the hang of what I'm doing. You can also stop the video and go back and watch it again. So I went to week 2 on Monday, the 10th of October. Remember this, you could be watching this in January. The idea is just to pick the week that you're in. I'm going to go 10 o'clock. And then I'm going to go week 2 of econ. Nice thing is you can do this for every one of your classes. Every Monday you get yourself a message to remind you what you have to do, so you don't have to worry about looking at your page chart. And then over here I'm going to put in the description. Go back to my page chart. Here's week 2. This week I think I'll send it to Mrs. Ciotti. So I'll send a message to Mrs. Ciotti and she'll help me in week 2, kind of keep an eye on me. And I could put a message in here. This is to myself, remember. I'm on pace. Go back down here. Remember notifications. You can have an email sent to you, which goes right to your smartphone if you want, or your computer. Pop up, or you can go to SMS. So SMS is the text messaging. Now I'm going to show you how to do that just in case. I'm going to hit save on here. Just in case you don't have it set up to get the text message, you might have to go into the calendar. So I'm in the calendar for my school email account. I'm going to go over here to the settings, and I'm going to go down to settings. So you go to this right here icon, and then you go down to settings, and then I'm here, and I'm going to go over to mobile setup. And notice that I set up the mobile setup with the state I'm in and the phone number. This is actually my work number. You guys all have this number. I hit click, send verification. Then I got a text message from them, and they gave me this code, and I hit finish setup. So let's just go back a button, just so you know where I went. You went over here to settings, and then down to settings, and mobile settings, because you wanted your SMS, which is text messages. You put the number in here. They'll send you a verification code. Bam, you can text yourself. And you can text yourself for the next 16 weeks. So we did week 1, we did week 2, and then remember I'm going week by week on the calendar here. You could actually make the view look like a month, so you could see them all at once. Go down here to the 19th and write down week 3, edit events, week 3. I'm going to copy and paste right from my page chart, so I'm not typing and taking up too much time. This is to help you save time, keep yourself organized, send yourself a future text. So you know on the 19th of October you're going to get a text from yourself. I hope this helps. Have a great day. Bye-bye.